Everybody, today we are going to be starting a Red Dead Redemption 2 playthrough. I'm here with my friend Michael, and yeah, we're not playing together. Yeah, there he is. You've probably heard him in past videos, but we're playing alongside each other. We are going to try to 100% the game in its entirety. We've both played this game numerous times before. So yeah, this should be a very interesting series, and I'd like for you guys to stay along with us. It's my all-time favorite game. Nothing will ever top this game. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this series. I'll try my best to do commentary, but this game is so unbelievably amazing at commentary that it might just take my job from me. The start of this game is a little monotonous, but Chapter 2 is better.
We'll have to stop someplace. Okay, Arthur's out looking.
Chapter 2, my personal opinion, best chapter out of all of them.
Don't stop soon, we'll all be dying.
Agreed.
It's weather, it's May. I'm just hoping.
Actually, that might be a little bit of spoils. Probably shouldn't say anything like that.
We're gonna try not to give any spoilers.
Any luck?
No promises. We'll try our hardest.
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know, an old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
I'm gonna try to let the game do most of the talking. But I would enjoy pitching in occasionally, but most of the time you're going to just be hearing the game. Phil Booker, what a last name.
Bring him in here.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Mike scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them.
This?
Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet.
Alrighty, folks,
So,
I'm gonna try to
they both
go
must have headed
pretty
down the
quickly.
hill.
through this chapter. I don't think we're gonna finish this chapter in this episode, but we'll try to do 2 or 3 missions.
What really went down back there on that boat?
We'll do we'll finish out before the
Come on.
train robbery. That's where we'll finish.
Hey, you need horses? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
That's some spoilers for
Get
there.
indoors, son.
It's chapter 1, it doesn't matter.
We need you strong. Okay.
You know what? That's true.
Come on, Dutchie.
Come on, let's go. Ain't sure what
Is your
we're
search
gonna
button
find out here,
or like
Dutch.
take button?
We have
Or
to try. Stay
Am I
close.
like
We'll do
pick
our
up
best to
things?
stick to the trail. This goddamn weather.
I think it's E.
2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
And
How'd you do that?
apologies guys if there's a little bit of lag. I'm not quite sure what's going on with my internet. It's been horrible. Like, actually terrible recently. Borderline unstable.
He's the last
It,
one.
it
Arthur.
kind of dies occasionally.
We need to get those people warm.
So if Michael here cuts out occasionally, that's why.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up.
Did you just have like the default settings?
Right now.
Yeah, I think so.
We got fire and shelter.
Other than my graphics, I turned them down a
I think
little
I see
bit.
something up the path. You up ahead. Who's there?
Hey, it's everyone's favorite person.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always.
ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only ones crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Oh, look how I just broke
Yeah,
formation.
well, don't talk to me about crazy.
Oh, so no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look, it's all gonna work out, Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Absolutely beautiful cabin.
Okay, let's head down there. Let's hitch up here.
For any first timers, if you guys would like to pay attention to the hints the game gives you, that's something you can pay attention to. And I'll also try to explain as many things
Let
as I
me
can.
handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
No game, free me. I know where to go.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. The man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates.
Let me put my pew pew. Hey, look, there's a dead guy.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen.
So you don't use R.
Uh-uh.
I got folks
Your hat.
on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur.
need some
There's a body
cans of food.
in the wagon.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Look out! There's more to bed!
I love this song.
everyone shooting from the window.
Ready for you!
It's 1,000 fire or something.
You sons of bitches!
Holy, my aim's terrible.
Let's make it a run for it! Arthur! I said I'd handle this!
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Why?
Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Oh yeah, R is to pick up things. I'm slow.
Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
I knew it.
I'm actually slow.
You should eat something now.
Law.
Get your strength up for the ride back.
I love how I have things to eat. Just gonna grab this. This will help with my... I think this also helps with Deadeye. Yeah, it does. It would be great if I had that there.
Do you not use or eat the salted venison on the table?
Looks like
I
the
just
poor
did.
bastard was married too. At some point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down.
Grab that for the horsey.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head.
I see
Nearly as
biscuits.
big as the one on yours.
Martin Cole's dead.
Dang.
It's about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw it.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
Holy, how many things do I need to search? Oh, the medicine cabinet. I think that's all that's left.
The place is dry, warm. We could
There
maybe
we go,
move the
health
women and
cares.
Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up. I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
I don't want to keep looking though, Dutch. I want to go kill the
Meet
guy in
me
the
out
barn.
here when you're done.
How do you know it's a guy in the barn?
I've played this game a lot. Probably too much. I think Eli told me that I have like 800 plus hours on PlayStation on this game, which I absolutely believe.
Yeah, I believe that too.
Okay, finally, I've searched everything I need to search.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
I'm about to get jumped by a dude from the roof. Any second, 3, 2, 1. caught it exactly. Dang, I'm good.
Bastard shot my cousin! Well, he started it! I'm gonna break your neck!
I don't remember what block was. I think it was 8.
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
Bob.
Sneaky
I think it's R. I think it's R.
Kill him?
No. Not yet.
He is,
Find out
I
what
guess I
they're
can
doing
rack.
here and where
Never
Colm
seen-
is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
oh, I don't know if I want to kill him or not.
Please, spare me.
I kind of want to just shoot him. I'll give him. Crap. Did not mean to press that.
Get the hell out of here. Go.
Dang, bro.
Easy. You're okay. Whoa.
Chillax, don't murder me. Thank you. I really wish I could just like ride the horse over there, but I guess I don't mind leading the horse.
You let him go, huh? Dog, little bastard, scurrying off.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need to hitch him. He's already skittish.
Go save Sadie.
Oh, the knife out in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Michael!
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now.
You might get a notification for autosave. Just so you know.
I figured.
You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband,
Miss, you are safe now.
I'm gonna skip this cutscene. There's nothing of value in it. I'm gonna try not to skip that many cutscenes, but there's a lot that are just unnecessary. I don't think we're gonna go for 3 missions since this first mission is very long.
Adler. Mrs.
Whenever I can free roam, that's when
Don't skip cut. Don't skip.
Husband.
Yeah, but this cutscene was kind of useless though. Nothing of value.
Even if they don't matter.
Skip any more cutscenes.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Yeah, there's the, I'm not gonna override it. I'm gonna make a different save. Ooh. I'm not gonna
Flashbang warning. I mean, oh Jesus. Flashbang warning.
Okay.
Frickin'
I'm gonna try to
warn us.
remember to save. I think I can remember.
You're turning off autosave?
Jesus, yeah, you were right. Gee, I mean, that was the equivalent of getting hit with a flashbang in MW2.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong.
So these cutscenes are important.
And he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur,
Why don't you just,
how you
like,
doing?
skip any of them?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need
I
you.
think that's a good idea.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to ask, but
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
he
again.
ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. He looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John
I
was
think
headed up
after
the
this
river.
mission we get free
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't
You get
be
free roam around the
first
camp.
time.
That's what I mean.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently.
Yeah, no tow recently. It's still burning. Oh, kinda.
That way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river. Yeah.
A few hours ago, most.
I doubt that was hours ago. That's
Cross.
like 45 minutes.
See, they continue up that way.
Never noticed the ice there.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons.
I'm gonna stick with the cavalry.
It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here.
You're at the part where
I'm going past.
you're going down the mountain.
Dutch killed a girl in a bad
Ah.
way.
Me and Javier are
But it was a
for
bad
John.
situation.
That ain't like him, though.
I'm doing the same.
We continue along the cliff wall here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right.
We're
Damn
gonna
snow's
activate
coming
a
in hard
cinematic mode because
again.
it looks nice.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Oh, dang.
Arthur! Where you going?
That's gonna change it. Okay. Alright, cinematic mode's hard to move around in. Looks nice, but it's hard to
narrow
navigate.
here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that? John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. Come on!
That would be
Up
John.
there!
Dang, bro, we hear you, Marston.
It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. Have to walk
I'm gonna stick with the cattleman.
from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
I want the cattleman.
Grab your shotgun.
You
Come
could
on.
still bring the cattleman.
Come on.
I'm gonna just stick with the sawed off. I think I'll be okay. Go ahead and chamber it. Well, not chamber it, but load the shotgun. Well, prime the shotgun. Jeez, I am not on point with my firearms today.
You sure about this?
Hey, why don't you save those bullets?
No,
It's coming from this way.
just a spike.
Okay.
Careful here. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're
Wow,
telling
you can
me.
really tell I turned my graphics down. Looks like I'm in a different game. Nothing for dead. Ah, Siggy's. That's it. That's all we got for stamina.
Careful.
I meant Deadeye.
There's a drop here. Watch out here.
Gosh, like an overprotective mom.
Stay low under here. Okay, from here.
Watch your step.
Yeah, we'll take
Real
the kidney
slippery.
beans.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Come on.
Can I, thanks.
That sounds closer now. Come on.
We hear you, John.
We're coming, John!
Jeez, Arthur, struggling.
Dang, it's cold.
Dang, way to leave me, Javier. Pass me a law bourbon.
Let's keep moving then. Come on.
I know where he drinks it.
Marston! John, you there?
That's John!
Hang Javier, you take any. Bro's literally has stones for feet.
All right. Hot down, Marston.
There the Scar Man is.
That's quite a scratch you got there. Never
Wow,
thought
yeah,
I'd
you
say
can
this, but
really turn.
good to
You
see
can
you,
tell I
Arthur
turned my
boy.
graphics down a lot. I'll turn my graphics up for the next episode, guys.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. Freezing.
And guys, this first episode's going to be a lot longer than the rest, just because these starting missions are longer than the rest. So, this episode is probably going to be the longest in the entire series. So yeah, just don't get unhooked because these episodes are longer than typical. But that's just the first episode. So don't be worried.
Argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
There we go.
On the ridge?
John looks so defeated.
You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur.
Over here!
There we go.
Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Come on, Javier, you can do it. I don't know, I might stick with shotgun. It felt good there. I'm gonna do a gun spin. I don't know if gun spins work on your horse, because I don't.
They don't work for sawed-off shotguns.
Yeah, I know. I tried with the cattleman as well.
Come on, then.
They just don't work on the horse.
Just yeah.
Giddy up.
Wow, you can really tell that lag.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella, got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet. More coming down the hill.
Yeah, you know what? We're gonna stick with the shotgun.
Get the hell out of here! Get out of here!
Oh my gosh, my aim is all over the place.
Shit, there's more on the right! More coming in on the left! Go!
Jeez, Javier, one at a time.
Get the hell out of here!
Did I just kill him with my horse?
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus!
You still with us, Marston?
I want to get the temperature.
You're good? Okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. We should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent.
One or two.
Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing,
Old friends.
bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
We get some help here. We get some help. We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. I suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization?
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
We're nearly there, guys. Nearly there. I think we're about to get to free roam now, so... If so, that's what we're going to call this episode.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait to thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Awesome. So now that we have 2 missions to choose from, this is where we're going to call this episode, because this is a long part of the game. I think this and Chapter 6 are just generally, like, long parts. Chapter 1's not long, the missions are long, but that's about it. So, if you guys enjoyed this, let me know by continuing to watch the rest of the series. I have a video planned to come out tomorrow. I'm going to set this video, I'm recording this video on Thursday, April 4th. So this video is going to come out on April 6th, is what we're going to do, because I have a video... Actually, you know what? We'll release this video tomorrow as well. I have a video coming out at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and I'll have this one set to go live at 12 p.m. tomorrow, so at noon. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, just go ahead and let me know by telling me in the comments. Subscribe for me, it helps tremendously. And, yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Adios.